Simplify one whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. All divided by one whole number 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Solution. Change the numerator to improper fraction. One whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Equals 5 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Equals 5 plus 3 all over 4. Equals 8 over 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Equals 2. Change the denominator to improper fraction. One whole number 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Equals 8 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Equals 8 plus 2 all over 5. Equals 10 over 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Equals 2. Therefore numerator divided by denominator equals 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. The answer is E. Express 2 over 1000 as decimal. A. 0.00002. B. 0.0002. C. 0.002. D. 0.02. E. 0.2. Solution. To express 2 over 1000 as decimal. 2 over 1000 is equal to 2 times 1 over 1000. In index form. Is equal to 2 times 1 over 10 cubed. Is equal to 2 times 10 to power, minus 3. Equals 0.002. The correct answer is C. Which of the following decimal numbers is less than 3 over 4? Solution. Convert the fraction 3 over 4 to decimal. To convert to decimal, multiply the numerator and denominator by 25. 3 times 25, divided by 4 times 25. Equals 75 over 100. In index form. Equals 75 over 10 squared. Equals 75 times 1 over 10 squared. Equals 75 times 10 to power, minus 2. 75 times 10 to power, minus 2, equals 0.75. Then, 3 over 4 is equal to 0.75. Therefore, the decimal number less than 3 over 4 is 0.69. The correct answer is A.